Hey guys, Bolaj here, and yeah, I'm out in the nature, and I brought the camera, so I decided to do a vlog. And if you can hear the music across from there somewhere, then that's some beach party or whatever. So yeah, but excuse me, that's just gonna be cut out. Wait, what? What's gonna be cut out? You didn't see it, so it's only for me. But you know, yeah. Whoa, this thing is not stable. Fuck! Nature is not stable. That's the thing that I found out. But this night, the past night, I don't know when I don't know when you guys will be watching this, so let's just get this wristband off because I need to get my phone. Okay. But yeah, I don't know when you guys will be watching this, but today, right now, is the 30th of June, and it's 11:34 p.m. Oh, no one's watching me. So I just aimed you up in the sky, yeah. Oh yeah, sorry about the camera. I don't know what that was. But yeah. I don't know why I'm pointing this camera at my face. Okay, that was random. But yeah, that clip you saw or will see in the. Okay, you will see it in this video, but the clip is or will be taken about here, and I have my hand like that. Does that make sense? Yeah, camera goes in here. And I point it this direction, not this direction, so I could see this. And whoa. There's people here. I'm not alone in the world. It's weird. And I don't know why I'm whistling. Whispering, I meant. But yeah. I might try to get something to why would you stay on this? I might try to get something to put in here so I can have you guys like this, and I'll just flip the recording and do something, and hopefully do some crazy stuff, which is unlikely from me, but you know, it always might happen. But hello airplane, hello. But yeah, it's yeah, life is good. Life is good. So I hope you have enjoyed this whatsoever. How would you enjoy this? Okay, if but only if you enjoyed this video, then click the like button, please. I want to know how many people enjoyed this video, and A for that enjoyed the video, and B got this far in the video. It's like this is a 5-minute vlog, and I'm just rambling. Okay, but yeah, I'll just leave you with the random clip from there, and I'll see you sometime, hopefully. You know, I'm not gonna die. I'm not gonna fall down like, ugh! No, I'm just gonna be me and live. So, I'll see you next time with another video, of course. Vlog or a game, I don't know. But, yeah. I'll go on a quick circle and into the random clip. Okay? Ready? 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 Let's start in the sun. Okay? 3, 2, 1. Hey! Faster! And we go down to a car. Still here? Oh wait, there's another random bike clip, and that clip, well, I don't want to get the sun on you, but that clip goes not around, it doesn't go around there, it goes in there and all the circle over there and back up here. Okay, on my bike, of course, on my bike. So now that clip, let's go. This is gonna be really tricky. Okay. So far so good. Except for this is fucking really shaky. Okay, this is a really shaky part. I'm interrupting the random clip. Ow, that was me coughing. Oh, you can see the old line. I don't think you can, but I can. I'm doing this with my left hand. This is such a fail. Oh shit. This is rough, this is rough. It's wearing me out. Oh fuck. Okay, let's slow it down. Shift down. Easier. Cycle slowly. I am not focusing on the video, I am focusing on cycling slowly. I can't go there. I can't. But I'm going to go here because that makes the ring a little shorter. Okay. 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 This has been... Okay. I am out of breath. But that was the circle all the way to here. That was the circle. I hope you enjoyed. If you enjoyed this video whatsoever, then leave a like, please. Like rating and a comment. And have a great day, morning or evening. I'll see you in the next episode. This is not Minecraft. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.